Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you will all good. So, are you tired of a cluttered and disorganized closet? Well, you are in luck because today we are talking about wardrobe design. From assessing your space to choosing the perfect materials, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. Before we start designing, we need to assess our space. Take note of the room's dimensions, door and window locations, and any obstacles like electrical outlets or heating vents. Consider how you want to use your closet. Do you need more storage, hanging space, or shelving? Now that we have our space assessed, let's talk about style. What kind of vibe are you going for? Modern, traditional, minimalist, or bohemian? Think about the materials, colors, and textures you want to incorporate. Don't forget to consider your lifestyle and how you will be using your closet. Now that we have our design, let's talk about materials and finishes. What kind of wood, MDF, or laminate will you choose? Consider the color palette, texture, and durability. Don't forget about hardware and accessories. They can make or break the look. Think about sections for hanging clothes, folded items, shoes, and accessories. Measure your space carefully to maximize every inch. Once your wardrobe is ready, it's time to organize. So, use these tips for organize your wardrobe. For example, group clothes by category or color. Use storage boxes for accessories. Label everything for easy access. Use vertical space for maximum storage. Add a full length mirror to save well space. Let's talk aesthetics. Your wardrobe should not only be functional but also reflect your personality. Choose materials, colors, and finishes that may match your room's decor. For a modern look, go for neutral tones and clean lines. For something luxurious, add LED strip lighting or glass shelves. If space is tight, sliding doors can be a game changer. And then comment below with your favorite design style. I would love to know what inspires you. Here's it is your dream wardrobe fully designed and organized from a cluttered mess to a functional and stylish space. Doesn't it feel amazing to have anything in its space? Place, sorry. Thanks for watching.